Before you try to change your Reddit username, stop for a second, because most people assume it's just a simple setting like on other social networks. The surprising truth is that Reddit only allows username changes under very specific conditions, and most accounts cannot change it at all. Reddit usernames are permanent once created. You won't believe what happens next when new users realize that after your first account setup, your username is locked in. For older accounts, Reddit doesn't provide a direct way to rename your username. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They expect a change username button in settings. That button doesn't exist. Instead, your only option is to create a new Reddit account with your desired username. If you want a fresh username, here's the step-by-step workaround. Log out of your current account, go to Reddit sign-up page, and create a new account using your preferred username. You can then migrate subscriptions manually and use this new account moving forward. The upside is that you can start fresh with the username you want. If your old account has personal data or posts you don't want to lose, you can download your Reddit data before switching. The downside is that your old account's karma, post history, and achievements cannot be transferred. Moderators won't recognize your old account on communities automatically, and you'll need to rebuild credibility from scratch. The surprising truth about Reddit usernames is that they are designed to be permanent identifiers. Planning ahead before account creation is crucial, as changing usernames after sign-up is not officially supported. If this guide helped you understand Reddit usernames, subscribe for more tips on Reddit and internet account management.